Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, can anyone tell me up to which point we have completed? Whether we have found the value of a torsion, we have seen the Fresnel apparatus for the arbitrary speed curve. कुठेपर्यंत झाला होता हे सांगू शकतात का कोणी ज्यांनी खरंच लेक्चर अटेंड केलं होतं? Yes, no one know up to which one we have completed our proof of arbitrary speed curve. Fresnel apparatus for the arbitrary speed curve.
के पर्यंत झालं होतं मॅम.
कुठेपर्यंत?
तो पण काढलं होतं मॅम आपण.
Okay, tau is equal to alpha dot dot product with alpha double dot cross alpha triple dot divided by norm square of alpha dot plus alpha dot cross alpha double dot. Okay, so in this way we have found all the values of Fresnel apparatus for the arbitrary speed. Okay, now again we have one theorem. I will give you this as a homework. It is very easy to prove. So what you do, all the values of apparatus, whatever we have found for the arbitrary speed curve, you have to make a use of all that, and you have to prove that for arbitrary speed curve or for the regular curve we have t dot n dot and p dot is equals to 0 kv 0 minus k 2 v 0 क्या करना है हमको सिर्फ इक्वालिटी करना है राइट try to do this by using the formula whatever I have told you because we know the formula t dash is equals to k into n and n dash is equals to 2b minus kt and b dash is equals to minus 2n and all the formulas which we have seen just now आणि सॉल्व करताना पण आपण टी डॉट आणि एन डॉटची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केलं होतं हो का नाही आहेत का मीटिंग मध्ये हॅलो
येस मॅम.
Okay, let us go for the examples of the Fresnel apparatus for the arbitrary speed curve. Write this, the Fresnel apparatus, compute the Fresnel apparatus for the curve alpha of t is equals to 3t minus t cube 3t square 3t plus t cube. So for that, first you have to find out whether it is a unit speed or not. For that, what you will do, you will find out alpha dot. Correct? Yes, take the value of alpha dot as it is in case of arbitrary speed. A unit speed नसणार आहे. Correct? T minus 3t square 6t 3 plus 3t square. Okay? But when you are in an exam, you should check out whether it is a unit speed or arbitrary speed. Okay, now if you are going to find out norm of alpha dot, whether it is a unit speed or not, आहे का हे युनिट स्पीड कसं चेक करतात युनिट स्पीड आहे का नाही नॉर्म ऑफ अल्फा डॉट इफ इट इज इक्वल टू 1 नो सॉल्व करा सगळ्यांनी आय विल आस्क एव्हरीवन टू शो वॉट एव्हर यू हॅव सॉल्व कॅमेरा ऑन करून दाखवायचं आहे मला कुठे सॉल्व केले and tell me now what is norm of alpha dot बॅक कॅमेरा ऑन करून दाखवायचं आहे कुठे सॉल्व करताय सॉल्व करतात का दाखवा म्हणले तर ते गायकवाड शिवानी लेफ्ट झाले. आता आहे 10-12 मुलं, त्याच्यामधून 6 मुलं जाणार आहे. डू इट अँड टेल मी आन्सर. येस, अश्विनी ऑल्सो लेफ्ट द मीटिंग. बाकीचे स्टुडंट असणार आहेत का मीटिंगमध्ये? सॉल्व करणार आहेत का? Yes, tell me whether it is a unit speed or arbitrary speed curve. Rohini Masre also left the meeting. किसके लिए चालू है ये मीटिंग? Okay, let it be. I will solve it. You just see. Alpha dot. Now you have to check what is norm of alpha dot. Check and tell me later on. Compute the Fresnel apparatus. And now we are seeing for arbitrary speed curve. Now let me find out alpha double dot. That is second derivative. So derivative 3 is 0 and then minus 60. And this one is simply 6 and then again you get 60. What is alpha triple dot? All these we are going to need for our calculation. So that's why I'm finding alpha dot, alpha double dot, alpha triple dot. All these we need our in formulas of a Fresnel apparatus. Okay, minus 6, this is 0 and 6. Now let us find out what is alpha dot cross product with alpha double dot, which is equal to, so the first one is a u1, u2 and u3, and the second one is the coordinates of alpha dot, that is 3 minus t square, then it is 60, and here it is t plus 3t square. And coordinates of alpha double dot minus 66 and 60. Okay. Now what is the coefficient of u1? We can write it is 36t square minus 18 minus 18t square. The coefficient of u1 is this one, minus, again we have to write down the coefficient of u2 is minus minus become plus, then plus next term the coefficient of u3 is okay. So in this way we have written all the coefficients of u1, u2 and u3. Let us evaluate 36 minus t 18 t square, that will be will get, or 18 I will take common because every time we will definitely get at 18 common. So it is t square minus 1 for the first one, and for the second one you will get sorry, this will be remaining this 18 t cube plus 18 minus 18 get cancelled. If I taken 18 common, 18 plus 18, that this is 2t, and again the last term will be t square plus 1. Calculate kara. I will write down directly because to show these calculation to the PG student is not good. No? So we get the value of alpha dot cross product with alpha double dot is equals to 18 t square minus 1 2t and t square plus 1. Okay, so firstly we have found what is alpha dot, alpha double dot and alpha triple dot, and we have evaluated the cross product. Now we have to evaluate the box product. As I told you in the last lecture, the box product will satisfy those conditions. Those who want to see, you can see the last lecture on the YouTube, that what are the box product properties. And let us evaluate alpha dot dot product with alpha double dot cross alpha triple dot is nothing but your alpha triple dot dot product with alpha double dot, sorry, alpha dot cross alpha double dot. Okay, now let me write down what is alpha triple dot. Here alpha triple dot is nothing but here minus 606, and value of this term we have obtained it as 18 outside, and it is t square minus 1 2t. Actually this must be with a negative sign, correct? No, here we u2, the coefficient of u2, the second term of the determinant, we take negative sign, and this is also with negative sign. So here we get minus 2t and then t square plus 1. Okay, so here we get the calculations as dot product we have to evaluate. No, so this is what 18 outside, and here we get minus 6 t square minus minus become plus 6. Second term is 0 plus again 6t square plus 6, correct? And here this plus minus get cancelled and we get 18 into 12, correct? You can keep this 18 into 12 as it is, or you can evaluate, because later on we have to take a uh, as it is itself, or you can multiply. Now after that, what is our next job? We have to find out norm of alpha dot, which is equals to under root of 3 minus 3t, it's a square, plus 36t square plus 3 plus 3t, it's a square. So norm of alpha dot, after doing all calculation, येते ना calculations करायला, under root 18 1 plus t square it will be, and after that we have to find out the value of norm of alpha dot cross product with alpha double dot is equal to 18 root 2 1 plus t square. Okay, norm calculate करता येते ना सगळ्यांना. So and after that I have found all these values. Now just put up on all the formulas. T is equal to alpha dot upon norm of alpha dot. Alpha dot we have, and norm of alpha dot also we have. Now simply whatever the values we have calculated, just substitute here. 3 minus 3t square 6t, 3 plus 3t square divided by norm of alpha dot is under root 18 1 plus t square. After that we have to evaluate the value of b. B also we can calculate because all the terms we have written. B is alpha dot cross alpha double dot divided by norm of alpha dot cross alpha double dot, which is equals to, okay, what is the value of this term? We have obtained t square minus 1 minus 2t 1 plus t square, and outside it is 18, divided by norm of this is 18 root 2 1 plus t square. This 18 get cancels. In the very similar way, we can find out the value of a curvature k as norm of alpha dot cross alpha double dot is divided by norm of alpha dot its cube. Okay, now value of this one we have obtained it as under 18 under root 2 1 plus t square plus 1 divided by 18 raised to 3 by 2. Why it is? Because we have found the value of norm of alpha dot is under root 18 1 plus t square. So that's why it is 1 plus t square as it is raised to 3, as we have taken a cube here. So hence in general, after doing all calculations, we can get the value of k as, यहाँ पे 18 raised to 3 by 2 can be written as 18 under root 18. So 18 get cancelled, and again doing more simplifications, we can get the value as 1 upon 3 under, sorry, not it is under root, it is simply 1 plus t square raised to 2, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी 1 plus t square है ना, so these two get cancelled. And hence in this way we have found the value of k. Now how to find out the normal? It is with the help of b cross t. We have the value of b as well as t, so we can find out, and hence the first one is u1, u2, u3. We have to keep it as it is. This first row, oh sorry, second row is nothing but your coordinates of vector b. Okay, what are the coordinates of a vector b? You have to write here coordinates of vector t, you have to write, and then you have to do the calculations. करता येते सगळ्यांना calculations हे?
Yes, ma'am.
Do the calculations and tell me the value of a normal vector. Everyone have to do the calculations now and tell me the value of a normal vector. यहाँ पे बाइनॉर्मल के आपका जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स है वो आ जाएंगे, राइट? t square minus 1 divided by under root 2 1 plus t square. Secondly, minus 2t divided by root 2 1 plus t square. And third one is 1 plus t square get cancel and we remains with 1 upon root. Okay, last one, that is the coordinates of t we have to write. What are the coordinates of t? Is 1 upon under root 18, and here it is 3 minus v t square, and here 1 plus t square. Here it is 60 divided by under root 18 1 plus t square, t plus 3t square divided by under root 18 1 plus t square. Okay. Now simply we have to evaluate the value of this determinant. The coefficient of u1 first you should write down, then coefficient of u2 and u3. Okay, you can do one more shortcut for this one. You can take common under root 36 1 plus t square, it's a square. Okay, from every row you can take one common term, no? You can do, or directly you can solve whatever you want to, like. Or you can do one thing, that 1 plus t square here is also 1 plus t square. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो, एक कॉमन टर्म आपके फर्स्ट सेकेंड रो से कॉमन टर्म क्या आएगा, 1 अपॉन रूट 2 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर. सेकेंड रो से कॉमन टर्म क्या आएगा, अंडर रूट 18 1 plus t square. So square 1 plus t square, it's a square. And then you can get a more simplified way of a binormal vector, normal vector, that is n is equal to b cross t, u1, u2, u3, and u remains with, here you have t square minus 1 minus 2t, and here 1 plus t square, 3 minus 3t square, 60, 3 plus 3t square. And hence here you get under root 36. Under root 36 म्हणजे 6 असेल. 1 plus t square, it's a square. Okay, what is the coefficient of u1 now? It is minus 6t plus, sorry, again it is minus t cube. Okay, with negative sign again. Or this is what the coefficient of u1 minus the coefficient of u2 we have to write. This is 3t square Okay, you can take 3 common and you have t square minus 1, t square plus 1. So you can have this t raised to 4 minus 1 minus again you can take 3 common t square plus 1 again 1 minus t square 1 plus t square. So you get 1 minus t raised to 4. समजतंय ना सगळ्यांना काय करतेय मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coefficient of u3 we have to write. It is 6t cube minus 6t minus minus become plus again t minus t raised to 3. Okay, this is what the coefficient of u3. Now you can solve. आता सोपं आहे ना. सॉल्व करा आणि सांगा कुठली टर्म्स कॅन्सल होणार आहेत and then final what is the value of a normal. Any students are joining now, but I told you on the Wednesday we will take a lecture from 1 to 2. We have already started a lecture at 1. That's why if you are not remembering, I have put the link of the lecture on the WhatsApp group also. Still then some students have been not joined. You should remember on the Wednesday we will take a lecture from 1 to 2 because I have again one more lecture at 2:30. On Wednesday I have a very tight schedule of all the 3 lecture continue. First year lecture, then second year lecture, then OAT lecture. So that's why I have adjusted the time of your second year lecture instead of 1:30 to 2:30 because I have a lecture at 2:30. So it is 1 to 2. Okay, those students who joined late, you should take a note from your friends. Simply we are doing a calculations. We have taken one example of Fresnel apparatus for the arbitrary speed curve and we are solving that. Yes, सॉल्व केलेत का सगळ्यांनी? नॉर्मल वेक्टर, व्हॉट इज अ व्हॅल्यू? ओके, आई विल राइट डाउन बिकॉज इसके बाद इतना सॉल्व करना बहुत इजी है. So try to do it later on and write the value of a normal vector. It is a b cross t which we have calculated, and it is 1 upon 1 plus t square, and b remains with minus 2t 1 minus t square and 0. And now let us find out the last formula, that is a torsion 2 is equals to, we can find out the formula. It is not nothing but your alpha triple dot product with alpha dot cross alpha double dot divided by norm of alpha dot cross alpha double dot its square. Now value of this we have found 18 into 12, so that's why I keep it as it is, because sometime it may get cancelled out with the denominator. And we have in the denominator 18 root 2 its square, as well as 1 plus t square its square. So here you can have this 18 into root 2 or 18 into 12. Here we get 18 square, and root 2 square is simply 2, and then we get 1 plus t square its square. So these two get cancelled. Again we get half 6, and hence we get the result of torsion is 3 1 plus t square its square. Now one may have a question that I have told you the torsion is scalar quantity, but here we get the parameter t, right? आला का असा क्वेश्चन का नाही? But here we have to put some value of a t. If you put t equal to 0, what do you get? 1 upon 3, which is a again a scalar quantity. Here you must check out what is the curvature k and torsion. It has, these are in terms of t, but we have to put up the value at t equal to 0 or t equal to anything. So here if you observe, we get the value of a torsion as well as curvature k, both are same. सॉल्व करताना लक्षात आला का टॉर्जन आणि कर्वेचरची व्हॅल्यू सेम आहे, राईट? Now you can calculate all these values at some t equal to some value, because value of t is provided in some particular intervals. Okay, those who join late, we have started the lecture already at 1, and we have completed one example. Okay, let us go for the next example. This example we have already solved with the help of a Frenet apparatus for the unit speed. Now we'll solve this example for Frenet apparatus for the arbitrary speed curve, and we will check whether we will get same value of a tangent, normal, binormal, curvature and torsion. Okay? समजतंय मी काय सांगतेय? Find the Frenet apparatus for the helix. The question may be simply helix itself, so at that time you must know what is equation of a helix. Okay, helix लिहिल्यानंतर ते equation of helix देणार नाही. So you must know what is the equation of a helix. First two coordinates are just like a circle, third will be the height of that helix. Okay. Now let us solve this example. For solving this example, we have to start with whatever we have done in our proof. जो भी हमने arbitrary speed curve का proof किया है, वहाँ पे all the formulas we have proved now. So we have to first write down what is alpha dot, then find out alpha double dot. You have to just differentiate with respect to t. Then find out alpha triple dot. What is alpha dot? It is minus a sin t, a cos t, b. What is alpha double dot? It is minus a cos t minus a sin t. The last term is constant, so hence derivative is 0. Again, last term alpha triple dot we have to find out. What is alpha triple dot? Minus minus become plus a sin t minus a derivative of sin t is cos t, and the last term is 0 as it is. Okay. Those who are latecomer, what you have to do, you have to just find out the values of alpha dot, alpha double dot, alpha triple dot, and then find out alpha dot cross alpha double dot. We are solving the example for the arbitrary speed curve. The rendered apparatus for the arbitrary speed curve. Okay. Here we are just assuming that or we are just चेकिंग कि हमने हेलिक्स के लिए जो भी यूनिट स्पीड कर्व के फॉर्मूला यूज करके टेंजेंट नॉर्मल बायनॉर्मल टॉर्जन और कर्वेचर का जो भी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट किया था वो हम यहाँ पे आर्बिट्री स्पीड कर्व पे चेक कर रहे हैं. ओके. फाइंड आउट अल्फा डॉट क्रॉस अल्फा डबल डॉट which is equal to first row is nothing but your u1, u2 and u3. Second row will be the coordinates of alpha dot. Write the coordinates of alpha dot, alpha double dot and tell me the answer. Alpha dot cross alpha double dot is equals to solve करा आणि सांगा. Again, I will make an announcement that every Wednesday we will take a lecture at 1 to 2. Those who are latecomer, you can see this lecture on the YouTube itself. Starting from कुछ नहीं किया हमने सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया है. पूजा बचुटे जॉइन द लेक्चर ना. कुठे होता इथेपर्यंत आतापर्यंत. यस पूजा, आर यू
मॅम
देअर? माईक पूर्ण तर ओपन करायचं नंतर बोलायचं. अर्धा बोलतात आणि मध्येच बंद करतात माईक.
मॅम नेटवर्क नव्हता, जॉईन होता येत नव्हतं.
ओके. कॅल्क्युलेट केलात का सगळ्यांनी अल्फा डॉट क्रॉस अल्फा डबल डॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me the answer?
AB sin t, comma minus AB cos t and a square.
Okay, good. Now let us find out the next term because all these term we will find out first so that it will be easy for our calculation. क्योंकि आपने अगर आर्बिट्री स्पीड करके फॉर्मूला चेक किया होंगे तो वहाँ पे यही सब टर्म हमें यूज करना है. करेक्ट. So what is the value? Here we can write down the value of alpha dot cross alpha double dot as AB sin t minus AB cos t and a square. Next, what we have to do, we have to find out the value of alpha dot product with alpha double dot cross alpha triple dot. Okay, but it is equal to, क्योंकि एक्चुअल फार्मूला ऑफ टॉर्जन में ये वाला वैल्यू है ना. And here we are evaluating alpha triple dot product with alpha dot cross alpha double dot which is equal to इवेलुएट द डॉट प्रोडक्ट अल्फा ट्रिपल डॉट का वैल्यू है ना आपके पास ए साइन टी माइनस ए कॉस टी 0 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन ए बी साइन टी माइनस ए बी कॉस टी एंड ए स्क्वायर. कैलकुलेट because you know how to evaluate the dot product. Summation over I p I q I ना. So what is the dot product? A square b sin square t plus minus minus become plus again a square b cos square t. Third term is 0, so we get the result as a square b only. बरोबर. येतंय ना सॉल्व करायला?
येस मॅम.
येत नसेल तर सांगा. Next, we will find out what is the value of norm of alpha dot. It is nothing but under root a square plus b square. हे already solve केले while solving unit speed formula. Okay, Rennet apparatus for unit speed. त्याला आपण व्हॅल्यू c दिलं होतं, आठवते का?
येस मॅम.
Let us find out now norm of alpha dot cross alpha double dot, which is equals to, take a norm of this one. Okay, what is a norm for this one? इसका norm find out करना है. So a square b square sin square t under root a square b square sin square t plus again a square b square cos square t plus last term is a raised to 4, and hence what we get the answer is a if I taken outside, so under root a square plus b square. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us go for the formula because I think we have found all the terms. Now let us go for the formulas. T is equal to alpha dot upon norm of alpha dot. जो भी values हमने find out किए, just put up here. What is the value? Minus a sin t, a cos t, b divided by norm of alpha dot. We got it is under root a square plus b square. Okay. आता चेक करा, आधी जे तुम्ही सॉल्व केला होता, जर खरंच सॉल्व केला असेल तर तुमचे नोट्स किंवा जे काही असेल तुमच्याकडे जे सॉल्व करतायत त्याच्यामध्ये बघा युनिट स्पीड कर्वसाठी सॉल्व करताना हेच आली होती का व्हॅल्यू टँजंटची? Whether you remember, we have done the very same calculations of same example helix in Rennet apparatus for the unit speed curve.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Same. Anyone else having a doubt? Kai different आलं का?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us go. If you know the formula for B, what is the formula for binormal vector? As I told you, you should remember this formula by heart. करावा लागेल. Binormal alpha dot cross alpha double dot divided by norm of alpha dot cross alpha double dot. So all these values we have calculated just now. AB sin t minus AB cos t, and the last term is a square, correct? Divided by, what is the value of this? We have obtained a under root a square plus b square. You can cancel a common घेतल्यावर काय येणार आहे term? B sin t minus b cos t a divided by under root a square plus b square. So in this way we have found the value of a binormal. Okay. Next you find out the value of a curvature k and tell me the answer. आहेत ना value norm of alpha dot across alpha double dot we have calculated, which is just now we have written it is a under root a square plus b square and a outside divided by a square plus b square raised to 3 by 2 होणार ना. Then this under root get cancel. We remains with a upon a square plus b square. Yes or no? Now again you have to check out whether you get the same value of curvature k initially when you solve for a unit speed curve. सगळ्यांनी चेक करा. Why we are doing this? Because we want to check whether it is true. Arbitrary speed curve चे फॉर्म्युले बरोबर आहेत का? Because here we have make a use of यहाँ पे हमने t का use किया है and initially we have make a use of a arc length. With the help of arc length, we have converted it to a unit speed, then we have solved it. Okay. Is it same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anyone else? Check केलेत का सगळ्यांनी? Okay. Now next formula n is equals to b cross t. How to write down b cross t? First is u1, u2, u3. Second one is coordinates of b. Third is coordinate of t. ह्या सगळं आणि सांगा normal. And last one torsion. Yes. What is the answer? Normal vector. Okay, let us do one thing. I will take a name of student. You have to keep your camera on and you have to show me whether you are doing actually calculation. Pooja, बचुटे. कॅमेरा ऑन करा. बॅक कॅमेरा ऑन करून मला दाखवा तुम्ही सॉल्व केलं का नाही. अदरवाइज नो नीड टू वेस्ट द टाइम ना. डायरेक्टली मी सॉल्व करते आणि पुढे जाते. पूजा बचुटे लेफ्ट केलं मीटिंग. गुड. फिरदोस अडते. Open your back camera and show me whether you have solved. Gaikwad Shivani, Jamkandi Girija. I will take this name and I will not allow them to go for an internal. Kajal Gaudi, Kale Megha, Kulkarni Aishwarya.
येस मॅम.
हां. जे आहेत प्रेझेंट सिरियसली त्यांनी दाखवा सॉल्व केलेत का खरंच. आय विल स्टॉप द प्रेझेंटेशन. बॅक कॅमेरा ऑन करून सॉल्व करायला हां ठीक आहे. फर्स्ट पेज पासून दाखवा. ओके गुड. कुलकर्णी ऐश्वर्या एटीज. कुंभारे वैभवी, कुलकर्णी चेतना, काजल गौड़ी. काजल is showing. No, I don't want the. You can show your notebook itself. नोटबुक दाखवा. काजल कॅमेरा स्टेबल करा. केलेत. ऋतू माळगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your notebook down and take back camera. Camera back.
मॅम लॅपटॉपवर ऑन आहे. बॅक कॅमेरा नाही दिसत.
Okay, ठीक है. Actually, it is not visible, so that's why I told you. Okay, fine. Next, Pallavi Pude, Rohini Masre, Prajakta Jamdar. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
यस बोलून बस का नाही करायचं. दाखवायचं आहे कुठे सॉल्व केलेत, किती सॉल्व केलेत. बॅक कॅमेरा ऑन करा आणि दाखवा. शो मी योर नोटबुक और वॉट एवर वेयर यू हैव सॉल्व्ड इट. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पेज जहाँ पे हमने एग्जाम्पल स्टार्ट किया था. ओके. शी ऑल्सो लेफ्ट आउट. संजना आवटे, संदीप गळगी. हे तर येणारच नाही. संदीप गळगी. शुभदा खोबरे, सोनार
Yes, ma'am.
हां. ओपन युअर बॅक कॅमेरा. सगळ्यांना बोलायला लावू नका. ओपन करा बॅक कॅमेरा आणि दाखवा. तस्किन चांदा, तेली शुभांगी.
मैम तो बैक कैमरा ओपन होता है. एक मिनट.
गूगल मीट पे ही आप क्लिक करो. हाँ राइट.
वन मिनट मैम.
हाँ, you can do that. Yes. Yes, it is visible. Okay. Taskin Janda, no need to present. You have to just open a back camera so that we can see. सिर्फ
I don't know, ma'am. How to do that, ma'am?
कैमरा ऑन कीजिए और डायरेक्टली आपके नोटबुक पे दिखाइए वो कैमरा. जस्ट लाइक तेली शुभांगी इज डूइंग.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Anyone else remaining? Sanjana Aute, Sonar Sweteja.
Ma'am,
हाँ, कैलकुलेट द लास्ट टर्म टॉर्जन का फॉर्मूला आपके पास है, आर्बिट्री स्पीड कर्व, and check all the formulas whatever we have found, tangent, normal, binormal, torsion and curvature. We have already done this example while using the unit speed curve formulas. Now here we have done this all with the help of arbitrary speed curve, and you have to check out whether both values are same. Okay? If you are having a doubt, you can ask, otherwise you can leave the meeting. Thank you.